Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Robinhood Gold fraud alerts and account monitoring, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your Robinhood app on your mobile device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the account icon located in the bottom right corner. Tap on the account icon to access your account settings. Scroll down to find the settings option and select it. In the settings menu, look for Gold or subscriptions and tap on it. Here, you will see your current Gold subscription details. To adjust your fraud alerts, locate the Fraud Alerts section. Select Fraud Alerts to view your current alert preferences. You will see options for enabling or disabling alerts. Choose your preferred method of notification, such as email or push notifications. Adjust any frequency settings to suit your needs. After making your selections, ensure you save your changes. Next, go back to the main settings menu. To enable account monitoring, look for the Account Monitoring section. Select the Account Monitoring feature to customize your settings. You may have options for different types of alerts, such as transaction alerts or login alerts. Configure these alerts based on your personal preferences. Once you've made your selections, look for a Save or Update button. Tap that button to ensure your changes are applied. Finally, review your settings to confirm everything is set correctly. Logging out and logging back in can be a good way to verify your updates are live. You have now successfully updated your Robinhood Gold fraud alerts and account monitoring settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.